Okay, so like you have two options, okay? You can choose to be an absolute monster, a person who's like a monster, an absolute monster, like who always cares about his own feelings, who doesn't care about others' feelings, who treats people just the way they treat them, and it's truly selfish and all, okay? Or you can choose to be a person who's very kind hearted, kind souled, very genuine person, always cares about others' feelings, and very nice, okay? But controlance is the main power. You should know to control your any personality. It doesn't matter what you choose between both of these. Even if you choose to be a monster type of person, or even if you choose to be a very nice, genuine type of person, controlance is the main power. If you choose to be a monster type of person who always cares about his own feelings and all that stuff, doesn't care about other people, if you choose to be a person like this, then too you need to have control over your that power. Because if you will have control over your this character, your personality, you will know that in front of what type of people you have to remove your this character out, and you will be able to treat shitty type of people in a shitty manner only. And even if you choose to be a genuine, kind, very nice personality type of person who is very kind, very soulful, and always helps others, very very genuine, very nice type of person, even if you choose to be a that type of person, then too the main thing that you need to do is that you need to have control over your that kind nature and that kind of personality. You need to have control over that, so that people won't use you, and you will have that much senses that okay, in front of what type of people I have to remove my kindness, and in front of what type of people I don't have to be this kind person, so that they will not be able to use you. So the main conclusion that we get from both of these things is that doesn't matter what type of person you are, even if you are a bad person, monster type of person, or you are a very good, nice, genuine, nice hearted person, even if you are that type of person, doesn't matter what type of a person you are, if you know how to control, you own the power. If you know how to control your emotions, your character, your personality, know what type of people deserve what type of treatment from you, what type of people deserve to be treated in what manner, and what type of people deserve to, face what type of character of yours, what character of yours. If you know this thing, and if you understand, if you learn to control your personality according to these things, you own it. That's it. That's what you want. You own now everything. You know what, most of the times what happens is that if you don't have a nice personality, if you are very selfish, very rude, see, there's a difference between being rude and being selfish, okay? I'll make a video on that soon. Let's not talk about that. But the thing is that if you're not a good person, you don't care about others, you treat them just the way they deserve to be treated, you don't care about their feelings and all that stuff. If you are this type of person, then the thing is that you will treat people just the way they are treating you. And many of the times what happens is that because you have a flow of this character in yourself, you don't care about other people who are genuinely nice to you. You will start treating them also in a bad way. Why? Because you don't have a control over your this personality, over your this character. That's why you are like this. And same goes on the other hand also. If you are a very nice, genuine, kind, and very soft-hearted person, if you don't know how to control your that character, your personality, if you don't know in front of what type of people you have to remove your that character, if you don't know that, then too you will suffer. People will use you and go. So the main thing that comes out is, see, if you are that type of person, if you don't have a control over your character, you literally lose your everything, okay? You will treat nice people also in a bad way. And if you are a very good person and you don't know how to control it, then cunning people will come and use you. So the main thing that we need to understand here is that the main conclusion that comes out of is that controlance is the main thing. Controlance is the main power, and it is the only thing that you need to keep in your mind and learn. If you know how to control your personality, your character, and how you should respond to some people, what type of character, what type of personality you need to show in some type of people, in front of some type of people, when you understand, when you have controlance over your personality and over your character, doesn't matter you are a good person or you are a bad person, it doesn't matter at all if you know how to control it. Because I will suggest that you should have both type of qualities, good also and bad also. You should be a both type of person, but the only thing that, the most important thing that you need to keep in your mind is that I also suggest is that controlance is the main power. See, have both the qualities. Be a good person also, be a bad person also. But depending upon what type of people you are meeting, you need to show your that character and personality. If people are good to you, show them your good side. If they are bad to you, show them your bad side. I don't believe in this thing, okay? Ki doesn't matter how people treat you, you should always treat them nicely and all that stuff. No. Treat them just the way they are treating you. If they are treating you nicely, show them your nice side. Show them that you are the only farishta. And if they are treating you badly, show them that you are a monster. Simple as that. Treat them just the way they are treating you. You are not going to get anything by being a very nice, servant. You are not going to get anything by serving them nice. So the main motive of this video was just that doesn't matter you are a good person, you are a bad person, you have choice, okay? You have choice. You want to choose to become a good person, become a good person. You want to become a bad person, become a bad person. But always choose to become that what benefits you. So it's upon you what person you want to become. You become that person. But the only thing that you need to keep in your mind is that what? Control. Controlance is the main power. You need to have control over your personality, over your character. You need to have this much senses, this much presence of mind that in front of what type of people, how you need to behave, what type of personality and what type of character you have to show. That's it. Doesn't matter you want to become good, you want to become bad, whatever you want to become that. But the thing is that have controlance. Only controlance can take you upwards. That's it. Have controlance over your personality. That will only lead you to success of your life, and that will only teach you how to deal with people. Only controlance. Controlance is the main power. Without controlance, doesn't matter you are good, doesn't matter you are bad, that's of no use. Because not everyone is same. You cannot treat everyone the same way. That is why having controlance is very important. Doesn't matter you want to become a monster, you want to become a farishta, become that, but have controlance. That's